Today in this video we will see what to do if the flashlight of your iPhone camera is not working while taking picture or while trying to use it as a torch light. Now the first thing that you will do is you will restart your iPhone. Sometimes simply restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. The other thing that you will do after this one is you will go to settings, general, and then you will go to this option transfer or reset iPhone and select this option reset and select reset all settings. Now this will not delete any data from your phone, but if you have made any customizations, those will be removed. The Bluetooth devices that you have connected with your iPhone will be removed. Also the password of the Wi-Fi will be removed. So if you are okay with this one, then do this resetting. Now still if this does not fix the issue, the other thing that you will do is you will go to settings, general, then what you do is go to software update and check if there is any update available. Now sometimes there might be a bug in the iOS software due to which the problem can occur, so make sure that your iPhone is updated. Now the other thing that you can do is take your iPhone to a complete dark room and then open the camera, and you see this arrow here in the middle, tap on it, go to flash, make sure that the flash is on, and then once you have done this one, take a picture inside a complete dark room. So what does this do is this will push the iPhone to use flash while taking camera, and if you see there is a flash while taking the picture, you can open the control center and then touch on this torchlight and check if the flashlight will work as a torchlight or not. Hopefully this should fix the issue. Now if still this does not fix the issue, then the only option that is left for you is to factory reset your iPhone. But if you have to do this one, then you have to back up your iPhone because all the data will be deleted. So once you back up the iPhone, then go to settings here, go to general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to erase all content and settings, and then continue and then select erase iPhone. But before this one, make sure that you have backed up your iPhone. So hopefully this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.